Welcome back to my channel. As you guys have already known from our thumbnail, that what we are going to make today is the simple and easiest way to make a water drop. And here we go, let's start. At first we're gonna choose our canvas. It doesn't matter what canvas you're using, because it's just a tutorial. You can use whatever you like. And then for the colors, I have used these 5 colors, which will be the decimal code will be in our description below. And for today's tutorial, I'm gonna be using monoline brush. You can select it from calligraphy section, and for soft brush is from airbrushing section. These are the only 2 brushes that we're gonna use for the whole tutorial for today. And first, let's do the background color first. Not white, but a little bit light gray will, just like this. Light gray will help. And on layer 1, we're gonna use monoline brush. It's in the calligraphy section. Monoline brush, and just take the white color, and we're gonna draw oval circle, just like this, and we're gonna pinch it hard to make the shape really beautiful as for the exact oval shape. And we just fill the color with white. And then we're gonna adjust that thing a little bit like this, because I really didn't feel comfortable before. Now it's good. And for that, monoline, layer 1, and we're gonna put layer 1 and alpha lock option, so that we don't fill other parts with the colors. We are just gonna simply follow the oval part, and we don't create much mess in our canvas. And for that, I'm gonna pick the dark gray and put my soft brush in 5% and opacity to 100%, and just gently moving the brush, not too much, not too pressing, just gently, just to make sure that the shading goes smoothly. And you just have to play it around just to get the beautiful water drop in it. And I'll start a little bit more from upside, a little bit dark, and that's our shading of oval. And now a little bit more. And now what we're gonna do is okay, a little bit more, just now we're gonna select another layer, and we just put that layer under layer 1, so that we don't mess with layer 1. And we use the monoline brush again, and this time we're gonna choose black color for the shadow part. As we all know, without shadow there's nothing in the art, in the objective part. And we're gonna do the same process like we did before. Just create some not perfect oval, because we know if we're gonna press pin it hard, we need to make the oval perfect. And we're gonna resize it as we want, and we just unselect layer 1, and we fill that with the black color, and we again select the layer 1. Then yes, there's our shadow, but for that shadow to be blurred, we're gonna use Gaussian blur a little bit more. It should be like this. It should be like from 15 to 25%. it would be nice. 21, it's looking good, but let's see. 16, 17, 19. I think it's looking good. Yeah, I'm gonna put it there. And a little bit for the wrap. We're gonna use the wrap option. A little bit from downside, just to maintain the shadow properly. Upside. That's nice. It is looking better. It's looking better. And now we're gonna use sharp brush for erasure. Just to make good amount of shadow. Right now the obstacle is completely dull, but just to give a little bit of brightness and shadow for the realistic view. A little bit more. Yeah. Just don't press it hard. Never press it hard. Just slow gently. Yeah, that should help. Now we got our reflection in it. It's going good. A little more erasing part. That's super good. Super nice. And now we're gonna use monoline for the last oval circle. And for this we're gonna make another layer. That would be our third layer upside of layer 1, and we're gonna make a small oval shape and fill the oval circle with white color. And here it is. Small and sweet watercolor. Water drop. And here it is. A little bit more dark side from up, just to get a beautiful view. This is fine. Like this you can make different water drops as much you can, just like this. I just used time-lapse video for this one. It was the same method, same process that you guys have to do, and it's not that difficult as well. It's simple and quite efficient. And thank you for watching my tutorial. If you guys like this tutorial, just go ahead and subscribe it, like it, comment it, and share it if you guys really want to share it. That's the thing. Thank you so much. Have a good day.